everyone! Here I am at my new job. Yesterday, at my first day of work.
No, that's okay. That's okay, really.
Yes, and now I have to record again.
No, I'm reading for my show.
Let's not talk about yesterday. Today is a new day. Today, I want to apologize to my coworkers. Hi, Anne. Are you busy?
Hi, Anna. Yes, at 10 a.m. I am writing. Every day I do my morning show. Sorry.
Okay. See you later. Maybe.
Maybe I'll see you later.
Hi, Jonathan. Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy. When the studio light is on, I am recording my evening show.
Right. Sorry about yesterday.
No worries.
May I see the studio?
Maybe another time? Right now, I am busy.
Sure. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy.
Hi, Amelia? Are you busy?
I'm a little busy.
I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday.
It's okay, Anna.
Well, I am sorry.
It's okay, Anna. Come by this afternoon.
Okay.
I am sorry.
It's okay.
Anna,
Yes, Miss Weaver.
are you busy?
Yes, Miss Weaver. I am busy.
My office, 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Come in.
A party! Awesome! And I still have my job. Whew. Until next time.
Apologizing. Americans often say they are sorry for bothering someone. Listen to Anna apologize. Notice her voice the second time she says she is sorry. Amelia accepts Anna's apology by saying, "It's okay."
I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday.
It's okay, Anna.
Well, I am sorry.
It's okay, Anna. Come by this afternoon.
Now you try it. Make your voice louder for M.
I am sorry.
Answer the apology. Say it is okay. It's okay.